How's it going, everybody? We're going to walk through the build tent so that you can get a look and see what's going on in here. And it's awesome. All the creativity and all the kids doing some really creative work. Check this out. So as you can see, the whole place is full of tents. It's all wired. There's original creations. Is this a center section?
No, this is it. It would be very big if it was.
Yeah.
It's basically a lifting body design.
Yeah.
So it's like it's a bit faster than this in real life.
Yeah.
But this is the fuselage. It's sort of like a great big wing.
Uh-huh.
So that provides most of the lift, and then there's a few little wings, but they're mostly for just control.
Is this your design?
Yeah. And
This is
there's,
awesome.
Thank you. And then there's going to be a simple tail, and then instead of having the motors up here, which
Is this like a canard?
No, because these are the main wings, and then this is just a normal tail.
Okay.
It's sort of supposed to be a V-tail originally, but that's more complicated. So
It's going to be just straight up and down.
yeah, normal thing.
What's going to be the power?
Two big quad motors. We've got they're on 4S and with 10-inch props.
10-inch props. Okay.
It should be good enough because it's really light. So
Yeah. That's awesome, man.
yeah.
Good job. Good job. There's people come here and they spend the entire week building.
They're probably like pretty close.
You working on another wing?
His.
Have you flown it yet?
I flew mine just a minute ago.
How'd it do?
Great. I flew 3 cool packs. Didn't wreck.
Oh, it's awesome.
First time flying a wing. I was happy with it.
Yeah, those arrows are awesome. I've heard nothing but good things about them.
Oh, I just put it out and held the stick and just cruised in a big circle.
Yeah.
Went around. Oh, I did some flips and barrel rolls with it. And,
That's awesome.
yeah, it was fun. He was like, I knew you were going to try that. I was surprised I didn't biff it right now.
Oh, good. I'm glad to hear it.
It's fun.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Hey, I'll catch you guys back at camp.
Yeah, hey, we'll see you there. We appreciate you letting us use that generator.
Oh, it's not a problem at all.
Grill and stuff.
Not a problem. Anytime you need to plug in, just do it.
Well, thank you.
All right. This guy's getting a night flyer ready. Amazing stuff. Look at the size of this fuselage. Yardsticks. Looks like it's got a layer of fiberglass or tape on it.
I was testing punch outs, and then the last punch out was more like
Supposed to give you an idea of some of the scale of some of the things they built here. Wow. And that's what this place is all about. And schools, you know, looking for STEM things, science, technology, engineering, and math. This is probably one of the best ways of doing it. Hey, you guys, thanks for coming around. Talk to you later. Like and subscribe, and be safe.